Welcome to St. Michael's Academy Betia's e-learning class of English class 4th. Today we are going to start with the question answer of our first chapter, which is Be Prepared. Section A. Complete the sentence in your own words. First, the speaker won a cookery badge in the Boy Scout simply because. Answer. He used to suggest ways to encourage Chimpu, the tuck shop owner, to improve the snacks. Second one. The dish cooked on the first night at the camp was called Bon Bhujia because. Answer. The speaker came up with the recipe for the new dish on his own. Third one. Mr. Oliver walked into the forest, leaving a trail of broken twigs, pine cones, and chestnuts because. Answer. He wanted to teach tracking to the Boy Scout. Fourth one. The speaker lost his cookery badge because. Answer. Mr. Oliver punished the Boy Scouts for failing to follow his instructions to track him by taking all of their badges away. Fifth one. Mr. Oliver wanted the speaker to cook an omelette because. Answer. He was hungry and the boys had finished all the food already. Sixth one. The bear skipping into the forest was a funny scene because. Answer. It was wearing Mr. Oliver's dressing gown. Section B. First question. Unfortunately, we were not very good trackers. A. Who does we refers to? Who were they tracking? B. What did they do instead of tracking the person? First answer. We refers to the Boy Scout. They were tracking Mr. Oliver, the Scoutmaster. Now the second one. What did they do instead of tracking the person? The Boy Scout came up a pool and splashed about in the water instead of tracking the Scoutmaster. Question number 2. He had waited for us at the far end of the forest for a couple of hours. First question. Who is he? Why had you waited at the end of the forest? B. Was he able to return from the forest on his own? Why? Why not? So the first answer is he is Mr. Oliver, the Scoutmaster. He had waited at the end of the forest for the boys to arrive by tracking him with the help of the trail of broken twigs, pine cones, and chestnuts that he had left for them. Second question. Was he able to return from the forest on his own? Why? Why not? Answer. No. Mr. Oliver had tried to return to camp on his own, but had lost his way in the dark. The villagers finally helped him get back to the camp. Question number 3. But we had to break up our camp in the early hours of the next morning. A. What had been planned for the morning? B. Why did they break camp early? So the first question. The entire camp was supposed to have an early breakfast the next morning. Second question. Why did they break camp early? Answer is The camp was broken early because a bear entered the camp and damaged their cooking supplies. Once it saw the boys, the bear rushed into Mr. Oliver's tent and then ran out, caught up in his dressing gown. These are the word meanings which we have already discussed in the chapter. Now, what you have to do, you have to note down in your copy and learn it. These are the bookwork. What you have to do, you have to note it down in your notebook. So here what we have to do. Here you can see CN is for common noun, P for proper noun, CL for collective noun, A for abstract noun. As you have learnt earlier in the previous class about all these types of nouns. What you have to do, you have to write in front of that word. Which word belongs to which noun. Now next activity, add a, an or the to complete these sentences. You already know about the article a and the. You have already learnt in the previous class. What you have to do? You have to fill the blanks with the appropriate article. Now the next one. Add the in the correct places and complete these sentences. What you have to do? You have to put the wherever it is needed between the sentences. Next one. Match the correct adjectives and nouns from the table to complete the sentences. You can see adjective and noun. What you have to do is you have to match the adjective with their correct noun. And after that you can see you can fill these adjective and noun in their respective blanks. Homework for you. What you have to do first, you have to write all the question answer in your notebook and learn it. Second, you have to write all the word meanings and you have to learn it. And third, bookwork is given with solution you have to write down in your notebook. I hope you understood the question and answer. Thank you.